Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies on a stove. First, combine 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl. Place this bowl over a saucepan with simmering water, creating a double boiler. Stir the mixture gently until it is completely smooth and melted. This ensures a rich, even base for your brownies. Next, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the flour. Make sure all these dry ingredients are thoroughly combined for even distribution throughout your brownie batter. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Gradually add the melted chocolate mixture to your prepared dry ingredients. Stir in 4 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is just combined. Remember, avoid overmixing the batter to ensure a tender, fudgy brownie texture. Finally, we'll cook these delicious brownies right on your stove. Pour the batter into a greased, heavy-bottomed pot or oven-safe skillet. Cover the pot and cook on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. Check for doneness with a toothpick. It should come out with moist crumbs, indicating perfect brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.